Hello everyone, how are you today? Today, we're talking about Chinese herbal formula. 止嗽散 Stop coughing powder. Formula function. Expel exterior wind cold, regulate lung qi, and transform cold phlegm. To stop cough due to wind cold attack or with coldness at lung, such as cough with white phlegm. Ingredients: 荆芥 expel wind cold attack. 陈皮 regulate lung qi, transform phlegm to stop cough. 桔梗 disperse lung qi, transform phlegm to stop cough, and also guide other herbs in the formula upwards. 荠丸 百步 白钱 stop cough and transform cold phlegm, such as cough with white phlegm. 炙甘草 moisten lung, spleen and stomach, and also harmonize other herbs in the formula. However, 止嗽散 is not suitable for cough due to wind heat or lung heat. Signs and symptoms such as cough with yellow or green phlegm, or with sore throat, red tongue, yellow tongue coating, and yellow urination. And also, 止嗽散 is not suitable for cough with yin deficiency, or we say empty heat, such as low-grade fever, night sweating, with hot sensation at palms and soles.